Hi, I'm Phoebe. I'm the Waste Education Officer at Wingecarribee Shire Council, and today I'm going to tell you about the Bulky Waste Curbside Collection Service. This service is available to households with a residential curbside collection service. Consider other ways that you could reuse your unwanted item. If your items are still in good condition and still working, consider trying to find a new home for them first. Reusing, repairing and donating helps to reduce waste sent to landfill and supports the reuse of resources. There are several local organisations that take a range of products, from large furniture to textiles and clothing, such as op shops and charity shops. For a full list of local organisations, check out our website. There are a number of online platforms that can be used to sell second-hand products or donate to someone who needs it. Try advertising online through Gumtree, Facebook Marketplace, eBay or FreeCycle. You can try upcycling or repairing to give your items a second life. You can also check out our Community Recycling Centre, where you can drop off a range of items for recycling, such as polystyrene, mobile phones and printer cartridges. Remember, think reuse, repair and donate first.